Step 1. Place the 2 folding telescopic tubes and the 2 telescopic tubes according to the video. Step 2. Fix the longer H-shaped tube with screws in the correct position as shown in the video. As you can see, after fixing the longer tube with screws, the bracket will be like this in the video. Now, we've come to the steps of installing the solar panel's fixing buckle. The specific installation details are shown in the video. For convenience, you better loosen the screw by hand. Then align it again. Finally, you screw it back again. Loosen the screw. Remove the plastic plug. Install the screws back again by your hand. Now, it's time to install one of the 2 shorter H-shaped tubes. Take care, the screw used for connection here is the longest one. Now, we are going to install another one, the shorter H-shaped tube. After all 3 H-shaped tubes are connected, this bracket has already taken shape. Here's a very important point here, which is related to whether the next installation can be successfully promoted. If it can't be fixed at one side of the H-shaped tube, the next installation step won't be able to proceed. Yes, look at this little tiny slider part. It's hitting inside of the H-shaped telescopic tube. So you have to remove the screws here again, just like in the video. Now, the little tiny slider is fixed where it should be. Congratulations! After all this is completed, now, you have a bracket of balcony solar system that can be normal use.